What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, and I'm being quiet because I'm actually in the closing room right now. I just stepped out while they went and checked on the wire transfer. But this is actually my 10th property. Now I have 10 properties with 35 doors, and I just want to let you know that if you have not gotten the game yet, if you don't have your first property yet, go get in the game. Because I'll tell you this, with each deal, my numbers get better and better and better because my eyes get sharper and sharper and sharper. There's four eyes to real estate. There's having eyes for the market. How do you know if a market is expanding or contracting? Then you have to have eyes for the neighborhood. There's over 30 plus signs of gentrification that you need to be able to look for so that you can buy on the other line, the other side of the line, and you can ride that wave. Then there's eyes for the property. What do you look for when you actually go inside? What's the hidden value and the hidden cost? And then you have to have eyes for the deals. How do you structure the deal to make sure that it makes sense? And there's many different ways to structure a deal on a single property. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing. This deal that I got here, I literally got it for $35,000 under asking. Got it for $180,000. It appraised at 215. I'm about to go do some work on it, get the value up, then do a cash out refi, get my money back out, and do it over and over again. A lot of people out here are doing the BRRRR strategy, but not a lot of people are doing the BRRRR strategy on multifamily homes. A lot of people are doing the BRRRR strategy on single family homes. I'm doing it on multifamily properties and getting most of my money out. Perfect BRRRR is when you have no money left in the deal. But I'm doing a BRRRR in such a way where I have very little money left in the deal after I do the cash out refinance. That's my little one. I roll in the back. She's here at the closing. She's learning how the game works. You see her hiding. I see you. I see you. I see you. So if you want to get in the game, right? Go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. I do a free webinar periodically where I'll show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals. Okay, again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. You got to get in the game. Prices continue to rise, and if you just wait, what are you waiting for? I mean, what are you waiting for? A lot of people say, "Oh, I'm waiting for the market to crash." And once the market crashes, then the lending guidelines get restricted, and it's harder to get financed. So go get in the game while the getting is good. All right. Much love, y'all. Peace.